Paul Braswell, founder, CEO of Our Health and Healing. Yes, it's me. I'm actually a patient here at a local hospital about to have a minor procedure done. I scheduled it because don't know whether or not I'm going to have insurance next month. I've been furloughed. So I don't know about that shady place I work. I don't want to say their name. But anyway, so I decided to bring art with me to help myself, like it can help you and you who are listening. You know, if you have to have some kind of procedure done, or if you're going to a place where it's going to cause your anxiety level to increase or put you in a different state of mind, then maybe you can bring some different types of art mediums. It could be coloring, or crayons, paper, pencils. So I brought a bunch of stuff. Look, I just want to make sure I had the healing colors. So I think I'm scheduled for, I'm looking at the clock, but they finally got the IV and all that stuff going. And I have this, it's called the String Queens. It's a group of African-American females. They're playing the violins in the background. Let me see, hopefully it'll keep going. I've never even heard of them. But anyway, the String Queens are keeping me helping also, you know, the music. And if you think this will help others, please click like and then look for Our Health and Healing on we're on social media, and I created a YouTube channel. So I think this might be the last piece I might put on there, I guess.